Alright, time for a random project in the PMS shop. Problem. Barrel needs to come off the action. Not the right bushing for this guy. We gotta make one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I've got no WD. Ta-da! Ta-da! There we go. That worked beautifully. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel, subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff. See you guys later. Thanks.